If your Kindle is suddenly not responding or unresponsive to your task, the screen is just frozen, you just can't get out or get rid of any section, then in this video we're going to show you how to solve this problem on your Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition. Since your touch is not working, all you have to do is just press and hold on this power button. Don't release it. Keep pressing it until you see the Kindle logo. This is the way to force restart your Kindle. And after force restart, your screen should work just fine. In addition to that, please remember sometimes you might mistakenly disable touch screen right from here. If that's the issue, just go ahead, press on the power button, lock your Kindle, and then unlock it. This will turn off the disabled touchscreen. If there is no hardware issue with your Kindle, these two processes will work just fine to solve any frozen screen problem. Thanks for watching.